In this video I'll be showing you how to wrap your floor while you do slide slippers using the foreign sole. Now you can see the sole already. I have my floor filed together, combination of fiber and a marco tray. So while you detach, you separate, then you use your wrapping material, which could be any color of your choice, a light one actually. Then you trace, have a tracing, bring out the shape on the material, then give a space in between them, maybe something of 4 centimeters, so that when you divide or when you cut out, you'll be having 2 centimeters each. That's your wrapping allowance. Okay, while you do that, add your gum, smoothly, make sure your gum is evenly sprayed both on the marco and on the material itself. Then allow for drying. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to this channel before. Like the video and ask your questions. Drop a comment, copy the link and share. Okay, thank you. You can always reach me on 0903-553-9885. If you are outside Nigeria, you can add my country code +234-903553-9885. You can chat me on WhatsApp too. So while you do that and you place, once you allow it to dry, place, then rub your gum again around it. You're rubbing on the side now and also on the fiber, on top of the fiber, so that you can be able to fold. Right, spread your gum very well. Now you're cutting. Now while you cut, remember I say you are giving a space of 4 centimeters in between the floor while you place. So your cutting now will be like you will be having 2 centimeters around the floor. That's your folding allowance. 2 centimeters is okay. 2 centimeters is okay. So it's better to have extra folding allowance than your material to be less. All right, okay. So, and it depends on the size of the marco you are using. If you are using a marco that is higher than this, rest assured that you will be adding some little more allowance, maybe some inches to the 2 centimeters. Okay, as long as you can have something that will cover up, okay, cover up, then you are okay. Now when you get to the curve, look at the movement of my hand. All right, that's where people get it wrong. For you to avoid some rough folding, follow the movement of my hand carefully. You can see that it be like you're clipping. Okay, you clip, right, so that you will not be having a rough folding. You clip. You can see what my fingers looks like while I clip. All right, so that is what will give you a smooth folding when you come to these curves, these bends to the front and to the back. All right, see it, the same thing you do when you get to the front. Now you can see that there's no folding. All right, it's not rough. My folding is not rough because I clip, and you see how it is. Then here also at the front, you just also have to clip. You are clipping, clip very well to make sure that you have a neat folding at the front. Have a neat folding at the front. Follow the movement of my hand. Right, you can see that we have a smooth folding here. The same thing to the back because you clip. But if you don't clip, you'll be having some folds, some rough folding around. So while you're done with this, heat, apply force, then go scrape the under. All right, for easy adhesion, scrape the under, and your floor is ready. So that is that. It's just a simple tutorials for beginners, and for those that don't know the secret behind having a neat folding of you know floor in shoemaking. This video it's for you. All right, make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. All right, please copy the link and share. Give me a like. Please like my videos. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me how you do your folding. Do you add your fiber? Do you add fiber to your floor, or you just wrap Marco?